Hey, you can tell it's the Thanksgiving break here because I've got another cool thing to show you. It is the new jog control in the 3D viewer. So if you notice, there's a new button right here called jog, and when you turn it on, you get a little extra tool that you can move around. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a macro here that injects the multicam, so I can show you the CNC machine as it's running this cool little feature. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in and notice where the tool head is. And I'm going to just move the mouse. Notice it says Control or Alt click to XY jog here. So I'm going to go ahead and just Control click. So I held down Control or Alt on the keyboard and then clicked. I'm going to go to the tip of the C. Now let's move up a little on the Z-axis. I'm going to hold down Shift key while I do this to go up 1, 2, 3. Notice that there's a little line that extends from the jog toolhead positioner, and the shadow kind of goes further away. Let's go up a little bit more, and then we'll go back to 0 to sort of watch. Because you're only jogging in the XY position, so you got to kind of see where you're going to. We'll go back up on the Z a little. Go to 4. And then I'm going to, let's say that I'm working on a job and let's say I just want to kind of position to see where the bottom of this little chili pepper is. You just kind of put your mouse, hold down Control, and it jogs over. Now notice it's not moving the Z position. If you're going to do Z, I would, this tool isn't really for that, it's just for XY moves. But let's say that we want to, maybe we're done milling a job and we want to be a little bit lazy and move our Z down to 0 or a little bit below so that we can actually maybe cut out the workpiece. That's probably not how you'd use it, but let's say I go here. I move down to Z0, which you can do right here. And then let's say I go a little bit below it to cut into the workpiece. Maybe if you're on a PCB, maybe for laser cutting, this is more useful. And then we'll zoom back out, and using that extents tool, we'll just kind of, here, let's zoom in. We will go right to, say, this position. So I Control click that. Didn't do a very straight line. I guess that's probably why you wouldn't use it. And then let's say I wanted to go up to the top. Right? We would go to, say, let's zoom out a bit, because I want to see where my extents are at. So my extents are right about on that line. I'll Control click that. Then I would come over here, Control click here, and then go back to the beginning. So let's say the beginning is, roughly right here. So that's about it. Hope you enjoy this new little fancy jog tool that I haven't really seen in many other apps. Enjoy.